Rachel Lee reporting for Rutherford County 4-H Network News here in Columbia, Tennessee at the State 4-H Technology Camp. Here with Warrant Officer Floyd Miller. Could you tell me a little bit about this aircraft?
Well, this is the H-64 Delta Longbow Apache. This one here was built in the year 1999, and as you can see, this is the U.S. Army's premier attack helicopter. Okay, this is the one they call for, and they want to put steel on target, as we call. I'm talking lots of steel, lots of firepower on target in a very quick time. As you can see behind me here, it's a dual engine. It's run by two 1860 shaft horsepower engines. It's very fast, completely maneuverable. It can do high-speed flight. It can hover. It can shoot on a dime. It can turn on a dime. It can do pretty much whatever the crew requires of it. Very impressive aircraft.
So what role does technology play in this aircraft?
Technology. This right here is what we call the second generation Longbow, all right, our Apache. It's got fully integrated displays, big TV screens as you can see here. It's got dual GPS systems so we can see and know exactly where we're at within 3 meters anywhere in the world, all right, down to 3 meters, so it's very impressive. We also have up top here, if you can see the large round dome, that's called a fire control radar. We use radar technology to also locate targets out to about 8,000 meters or about 5 miles. So, and everything can be displayed right here to the pilot in the back seat or the front seat for targeting, for flying, and of course for maneuver.
Is it true that youth can use video games to prepare for a career in this?
Absolutely. I wish I had some video games when I was younger, but right now, the kids, you might say, the young people coming out who are playing PS2s, PS3s, the Xbox, or whatever, they're so much more capable, they're so much better at manipulating the flight controls, pushing the buttons, and making this thing really do what it's supposed to do. They're well further advanced than what I was when I first came in.
Great. I'm Rachel Lee reporting for Rutherford County 4-H Network News.
Go upside down, you go inverted, barrel runs, loops, you can do it all.
That